Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. We need to find about complementary solutions and particular solutions. About the first one, we need to put about yc. That is about e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we need to do first derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because if we do first derivative of e to the power of lambda s, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we need to do first derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc, and we got this one. Because this is about complementary solutions, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one go in here, and this one go in here. So we have like this. So e to the power of lambda s, we need to do about factorization. So we need to find the solution of this one. And this one, we have lambda equals to number 3 and lambda equals to negative number 3. So this one, we have yc. That is about c number 1, e to the power of 3s. And we have c number 2, e to the power of negative 3s. They are the constants in here. About this one, we can use about variation of parameter. So I will put y number 1. That is this one. And y number 2. That is this one. And 3s. That is this one. Now we need to find the Wronskian between y number 1 and y number 2. So that should be like this. So we have w, y number 1 and y number 2. So this is about the matrix y number 1 and y number 2. Later that, we need to do first derivative of y number 1 and y number 2. So y number 1, that is this one. Y number 2, that is this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative of y number 1. So we have like this. That means a multiplied by d minus b multiplied by c. So this one multiply this one, so you got number 3. This one multiply this one, we have negative sign, and we have negative number 3. Oh sorry, we forget negative sign in here. and this one, that is negative number 6. Now, in this situation, we need to find about y particular solution. So we have negative y number 1, and we have the integration y number 2 gs over the Wronskian of y number 1 and y number 2. And then we have y number 2, and we have the integration y number 1 gs over the Wronskian of y number 1 and y number 2. So y number 1, that is about e to the power of 3s. Y number 2, that is about e to the power of negative 3s. 3s, that is this one. This one we have negative number 6. And now we go to the next one. This one we have e to the power of 3s, s e to the power of negative 3s over negative number 6. So, in this situation, this one we put negative number 6 go outside, so we have e to the power of 3s over number 6, because negative and negative we cancel. This one we have s e to the power of negative 6s ds. This one we put negative number 6 go outside. So this one we have s ds. For this one we can use about integration by parts. So you got the answer. That should be like this. And the next one, that is about s squared over number 2. So we want to find about y, that is about yc plus yb. So yc, that is this one. And yb, that is this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.